Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Netra from CC Data Science Department. Today I'm back with a new topic which is related to NoSQL, a distribution model. In this presentation, I'm going to explore the diverse world of NoSQL database, focusing on the distribution models for the optimal scalability and the performance. We will dive into the key characteristic and the different types and the consideration when choosing the right NoSQL solution. We all examine how the Aerosquike empowers the distribution of NoSQL applications. Firstly, just understand the NoSQL database beyond the relationship and also its flexibility and scalability. In the beyond relational, NoSQL database go behind traditional relational database system, that is RDBMS, by offering the flexible data models and the horizontal scalability. In the flexibility and the scalability, these systems are well suited for handling a large volume of data, diverse data structure, and demanding applicational needs. Next comes the key characteristics of the NoSQL. Here, the scalability, flexibility, and availability are the three main important key characteristics in the NoSQL distribution data models. Firstly, a scalability. NoSQL database excels at scaling horizontally, adding more nodes to the cluster to handle the increasing data and the traffic. In a flexibility, they supports the diverse data models, accommodating a complex data structure and unstructured data formats. In availability, NoSQL solutions prioritize the high availability by ensuring the continuous operation even when the nodes are fails. Next comes the types of NoSQL. Here the key value stores or the key value pairs and the documented database, column family database, and the graph database. These are the very main three important types of NoSQL database. Firstly, the key value stores or the key value pairs. It is a simple, fast data storage with a key value pairs. Here, the data are stored in the form of key and the value pairs. In the documented data bases, it stores the data in JSON like a document for the flexible schema. Here, the data or the resources are stored in the form of a document like a files. It may be photos, images, videos, audios. They all come under the files. And here the data are stored in the JSON like a documents. Next comes the column family. It optimizes for storing data in a columns for analysis. Next comes the graph. It manages the relationship between the entities for network data. In this, the data or the resources stored in the form of graph, charts, and etc. Next comes the exploring of a NoSQL types in detail. A key value, document, column, and the family. In a key value, a simple key value pairs for the fast access, ideal for the catching, and the session management. In a document, JSON-like document for the flexible schema, it's suitable for the content management and the user profiles. In the column family, are data organized by the columns, great for the time series data and the analytics. In the graph, I represent the relationship between the entities and the perfect for the social networking and recommendations of the engines. Next comes the choosing the right NoSQL solution. It may be a data volume, data structure, and its performance and consistency. In a data volume, it considers the anticipated growth of the your data. In the data structure, it evaluates the complexity and the variety of your data. In a performance, it accesses your latency and throughput requirement. In the consistency, it determines your tolerance for the data inconsistencies. And next comes the advantages of the NoSQL databases. Scalability, flexibility, availability, cost effectiveness, easy to use. These are all the very main advantages of the NoSQL database. Easy to use is like it is simplified the development and the management form. And next comes the distributed NoSQL solution with a Aerospike. It is a high performance global distribution and the data integrated. In a high performance, Aerospike offers the high performance operation for the low latency and the high throughput. In a global distribution, distributed the architecture enables the global deployment for the large scale application. In a data integrity, it stores strong data consistency, guarantees the ensuring that the data accuracy and the reliability. This is about how the data is distributed in the distributed models. I hope it's clear and thank you for watching.